This is Giorgio's first time eating real food.
He's having some orange yams. Okay.
Oh, mommy's ready already. Okay, let's take the shot back.
Alright. These are called orange yams. You want to try it? Can you get his face more? Oh my goodness, how cute is this? There we go. You want to try some orange yams? Oh, hold on here. Okay, there's one, two. Oh. What's it take? Did he put the whole thing in?
Yeah. Let him chew it.
Is it good? What do you think? Are you gonna swallow it? Oh my goodness. How is it? What's it taste like? What's it taste like, honey?
Are you chewing it, Georgie? What do you think?
What's in there? Oh, it's empty! Oh wait, no, it's on the roof of his mouth. Oh. Do you want it out? Yeah, okay. Go ahead, keep trying the rest. Hey, you don't have to eat this one anymore.
Yeah.
How is it? Is it strange? Let me, mommy, try it. It feels funny in your hands though, huh? You like it in your hands? Yum. Is it good? You're drooling.
Yeah, he's drooling a lot. Did you know that you're allowed to eat that?
What do you think?
It's definitely squishy in your hand. That's the camera. It doesn't taste like yums.
Okay, here.
You got a little right there.
Yeah. Yeah. Here. This is what Mom and Dad do and all the people around you. You want the spoon, huh?
Oh, he wants a cup of water to wash it down. Where'd those cups go?
His face.
There you go.
Why are you getting in there?
What do you think of the flavor?
He's like, Mom, can you put some coconut oil on it? No, you don't eat it. You just eat it plain for now. There's still some yam on there. What do you think? Huh?